I'm actually kind of reffing a little bit from that ladder right there. My legs just got tore up too. Just a minute, they'll be running some more matches, so hang in there. I'm going to show you all the field. So here's how it goes. Here's how the field goes down. Start right here. It's 5-on-5. This is the starting gate. You start with your gun touching the box. You turn, go this way. There's all these props. There's a flag in the middle. You get points for each person you eliminate and each person you have left alive. You pull the flag, you get points. You take the flag, you hang it on the opposing team's starting gate, and you accumulate points that way to a max of 100 points. And game over. Like that. This is my buddy Tristan. What's up, Tristan? He's getting ready. Show me a breakout. Go! Hey, you got moved, man. All day long. Oh, yeah, that's right.
My team's better without
Don't
me.
worry, these guys got it.
You guys just missed a really big competition.
Oh, yeah, it was insane, y'all.
How was it? What happened?
Like 5 false starts. False start on the defense, 5-yard penalty, repeat first down.
Literally, nightmare, just have to start correctly.
They want to know, is Chaos playing? Which one of y'all is Chaos?
Chaos is not here.
Chaos is not here today. But we got Jules, we got Jake, we got Anubis, and we got Mike, and we got Brett. Who else we got? I don't know the young one. Bradley.
Hyper, that's what it is.
Hyper, that's his name. Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm live right now. Say hello.
Hey.
Y'all better show out.
Wait, you don't live stream?
Yeah, I'm live streaming right now.
He's on it.
I don't know. A bunch of people. Somebody said say hey to y'all. They were asking about SLS.
Chaos is not playing.
Chaos is not playing.
He's benched. He's benched for today. Down one, down one. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all who's on this guy here. Got 3 across the back. False start on the offense. 5-yard penalty. Repeat first down. Defense has the ball. Down one, down one. Okay, I'm going to show y'all who's on this guy here. Got 3 across the back. This guy has a mean beat on him. I'm going to show you the positions. They're really tight right now. Switch sides. Y'all, I just took a hit in the elbow. Woo! These things drop down quick. All right, y'all. Fixing to start again. Hey, stay on the box, y'all, okay? Stay on that box till you hear that whistle. These guys right here, if my son Gator's watching, these are those guys that are really, really cool. We got both doubled up in the snake. Got right by us. Oh yeah, we got a guy at the center 50 over there that's tearing them up. He just took out back left. Come on, come on, come on. You can see there's a guy in the center 50 right there. Playing really low. But this guy is on him over here to the right. This guy right here under me is gone. So it's right now 3-on-3, I believe. 2-on-3. Right here, there's two people right on top of each other. I don't even know it. They're playing cautious right now. We can get bumped, y'all. Okay, it looks like it's down to a one-on-one. Here he's gonna get bumped right here, y'all. I hate to see it. That's the game. Dang it. I actually like both of these teams, so. Clearing the field, clearing the field. Now they doubled up the back left corner, as you can see, which is not the best, but they did knock the snake out, so that's good. So now we got all three across the back. Oh, he's got a mad beat on him right here, though. I wish I could see me right now. Looks like 4-on-4 to me. I believe. I couldn't tell y'all, did he just get hit? Come on, stay in there. Stay on him. They lost their center guy. Now 3-on-4, I believe. It's 2-on-1, I believe. Oh, it's 3-on-2. Okay, I see it's 3-on-2, y'all. All they gotta do is close it out right here, y'all. It's 3-on-1, y'all. It's the last guy left right here against 3. See if they can close it out. Oh, by the way, I built this right here, y'all. Hey, let him out!
I need that ignition one.
Oh, I got some more too. Look at this one I got today, y'all. My boy's YSP. Wait a minute, I got another one. Uh-oh. I'm gonna get this game. It looks like it's gonna be a good game. Who's gonna win?
Oh, this is gonna be a great
Noah will tell me who's gonna win.
What's going on?
Y'all gonna win?
Hopefully.
No,
We ain't losing. You're
gonna
I
win.
hope so.
You're gonna win.
You're gonna win?
I know. Oh, I love that one.
Like Myers.
Y'all seen my patch while I started, so I
want
gotta
that
get that
ignition
one.
one.
This is gonna be
I need that ignition one.
Oh, I got some more too. Look at this one I got today, y'all. My boy's YSP. Wait a minute, I got another one.
Get the other one on the low.
I can't get rid of this one, but this is from SS Airsoft. Daggone it, man. Let me see if I can find it. It's so deep down.
It's do you know the way? You've gone in knuckles.
Oh my God.
Looky, y'all. It's a little Sonic guy, I think. Alright, y'all. I gotta collect some more patches today. Anybody want to give me a patch? Alright, y'all. I'm going up here to take this last game. Thank you for the roses, Manic Mask Studios. Thank you for all the likes. Gator said, go, Richie, go. Let me put my drink right here. And we're fixing to get down, y'all. This will be a really good match. Do y'all want to see some snake action? I could actually go right there in the middle. So Richie's team is down there. Do you know the way? Thank you for the follow. Good job. Need retreat, retreat. All right, they're down. Looks like 2. Oh no, it's 2 on 5, y'all. 2 on 5, y'all. Here you go. Woo! Richie, you was mean that time. Let them out. Oh, that's 3 down, 3 down. We got all of them over here. They're running. They're gone. It's over with, y'all. Comes the pain. Richie's bringing the pain, y'all. Ow! Somebody get the flag, please. Somebody get the flag. Jeez, that was kind of ruthless there, what they done. I think they finally got mad.
Yeah. 30 first and last.
Hey, brother. Hey, brother, what's up? What we got to do to get one of them patches, man?
I think I got.
You know me, right?
Actually.
And here's, DSK's coming in. These down south boys right here now.
Yeah. 30 first and last.
Hey, brother. Hey, brother, what's up? What we got to do to get one of them patches, man?
I think I got.
You know me, right?
Actually, JJ, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
My son Gator's been asking about me. I'm live right now on
Gator's
TikTok.
son?
Yeah.
Oh, he's in the next video.
Oh, is he?
No. He's in the Florida one.
Yeah, he was.
Yes,
Yeah, he's got the blade.
Yep. Well, boom. I got.
Thank you.
That's a black one.
I'm gonna show Gator right now. I'm starting a patch wall. Oh, you're the man.
Yep.
Thank you, brother.
Not a problem.
I'll make sure and
What
shout
up,
you out on
Facebook,
my next
Facebook,
video.
right?
TikTok.
So what up, TikTok?
Yes, sir.
Combat Casual.
This is Combat Casual right here, y'all.
I'm doing the videos that you see on YouTube.
Yep.
YouTube _Combat _Casual.
Yep, that's it. Y'all go check out his YouTube, y'all. He has some great footage. He's awesome. He gets all those Gucci clips. Nobody likes to get in there, but he'll follow them all around the place. All right, y'all.
Daytona, DeLand, New York, Jacksonville.
New York, I like it. Deltona. DSK. Y'all got a patch?
No,
Get
but
that locals only. Shout out ODB.
Woo! I need that on my patch wall.
Insomnia.
I've been. Oh my
Shout
lord,
out
I love them.
HSA.
Like it. All right, y'all. Let's see if we can get a good match going here. Thank you, River, for watching the stream. See if we can get a good match here. We got Tom up in here. What's Tom and them's team name? YSP?
SOT.
SLT today. Thank you for sharing.
Justin.
Thank you for sharing my video. Thank you. This is Battalion Airsoft Arena in Jacksonville, Florida. Y'all are fixing to get to see a really good Speedqb match. This is my buddy Tom from YSP. This is Mr. Webster. He's the owner. You're live on TikTok right now.
Hey, baby. Welcome to Battalion Airsoft Speedqb field.
He's the guy that keeps all this rolling right here.
That's what JJ actually does. Don't kid yourself.
We've been watching the game, so right now it's doing pretty good.
We got a bunch of refs on the field. We got a bunch of eyes on the field. Got a good, smooth tournament going.
A lot of things that's been happening. It's mainly false starts.
I've heard a lot of false starts.
It's hard to keep those nerves down.
It is hard.
I have to move swiftly.
You're staying on the field?
Yeah, I've been on the field the whole time, repping from the ladder down there.
How many times you've been shot?
Oh, my leg's been ate all up. Everybody who goes to that corner shoots me before they shoot the corner guy. And I'm way above them.
Oh, you're in the tower?
No, I'm in that ladder down here.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, y'all, here we go. This will be a good one, y'all. Oh, no, he's talking about the arena. Okay, y'all. I better hurry up before I get shot. Uh-oh, there's the main man from DSK right there. That's Papa right there. That's the leader, and he ain't no Papa. Trust me, he's fast. Down one over here, down one over here. Down 2, down 3. Oh, he just got me. Dadgummit, Tom. Tom just shot me, y'all. Tom just shot me right between the legs.
Oh, sorry.
Was that you, Tom?
Yes, sir. Honestly, wasn't sure if it was.
Woo! What's y'all's team name?
SLT.
SLT just won that match. Tom, good job.
Yes, sir.
Welcome to TikTok Live, baby.
Yeah, baby. Woo!
He said, yeah, baby. Tom's a trip, y'all. Tom's my friend. Thank you, River, for sharing the video. And DMEMDEZ920, thank you. I see where you shared it. I really appreciate it.
3, 2, 1.
We got DSK back over here. Woo! I don't like it when that team's on the other end. They light me up.
Game starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Got a guy in the center 50 now. I'm gonna do a quick sweep. Ready? 3 across the back, 1 in the 50, and right here. All the action's up in the middle. All the action's up in the middle. Snake's gone. DSK's wiped out the snake. He needs to advance. Move on up. There he goes. All right, DSK's down. They got a guy in the center 50. He comes through the middle. All they gotta do is wipe out the center guy. They don't know he's there. Oh, he's out. That's game. DSK took the win, it looks like to me. Not sure if they're gonna close it out. Let's see it. Yep, it looks like they're gonna close it out. Game over. Good job, DSK. Thank you for sharing the stream, IEA. Good job, DSK. They didn't come here to lose. Do what I can, man. I try to, I build most of the replicas, not most of them. Cameron and I build all these replicas around here. Hey, Frankie. I don't know if this is your team or theirs. Good game, buddy. Good game.
Thank you.
Leave it right there. We'll get it. Probably I got shot so hard right here by
I just got lit up too.
SLK. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing. Is this your teams right here?
Huh?
Is this your team's, Mag? It was down there on the ground. Hey, what I was trying to tell you was your purple high cap guy. Hold him back a little longer.
His gun got fucked.
Yeah, he was leaving way early. I was just trying to make sure you held him back for another second.
I did told him.
They just get too antsy.
You do, Tom.
They get way too antsy, don't
Appreciate
they?
him.
He's Nightmare.
Wins this game.
Oh yeah, okay.
It's basically guaranteed this month.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
It's basically whoever wins this.
You guys are awesome. Y'all make me feel good. Share my videos. I couldn't do it without y'all's help. Let's see here. We got Tristan. Somebody on here kept asking me, was that Tristan? And they said they knew you. Someone from Pete Rose, baby. Pete Rose. So Tristan took the 50 or the Pete Rose, baby. Pete Rose. So Tristan took the 50 or the 30 snake. We got a mirror shooting under the floor, which I don't know if is legal. Oh no, we lost our corner. Tristan has no backup here. Oh no. I'm gonna show y'all the odds right now. It's 1-2 against 5. Uh-oh, it's Tristan by himself, y'all, so it can get dirty. Go get the pull, man. He's all by himself, y'all. His gun's broke. Oh no. Having gun trouble in the middle, all by himself against 5. He don't know. He don't know. Game! 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 Yes! He's alive in the middle. Yes, it is awesome here. All right, I got one more game in me, y'all. Line them up. All right, let's do it. This is Fish. He has all the Gucci high kappas. It looks like the other team lost one. It looks to me like the other team's lost 2, so it's 3 on 5 right now. Up, lost 1 on the 50. 3 on 4, 3 on 4. Three on 4, 3 on 4. Thank you for the follow, Undercover. Thank you for the follow, Trey. Thank you for the follow, PBS95. Thank you, thank you, thank you. They're communicating really good down here. I like that. We got to get the snake guy up. He's not doing much, so. Dang it. The snake guy needs to look cross field. Got to run the snake. You can't play the wire in the snake. Come on. Cross field, brother. There you go. Cross himself, y'all. I'm about to lose my battery, so this is the last match for me. He's working that bunker, though. To be alone. I'm getting shot, y'all. This game. Thank you for following. Thank you for following. Appreciate it. Looks like this is going to be another match, y'all. Woo! It's hot up here, too. So they got to play one more. The winner moves on. The winner moves on, the loser stays. So the loser here goes home, basically. The winner gets to stay and play. So this will be the last match for me, too. Thank you for joining. This is my last match, and I got to go, too. What's up, man? Thank you for following, and thank you for watching. Speedqb tournament here in Jacksonville, Florida. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. SLS lost 1. This side lost 1. Alright, this team lost 2, SLS lost 1, so it's 4 on 3 right now. Wait a minute, 4 on 2, I think. I can't tell if there's a guy in the center 50 or not. These 2 guys are all alone. They just realized he's in the middle. Yes, it is a great place. Oh, he's all alone, y'all. Up, that's game. Let him out. Let him out. Let him out. Let him out. All they gotta do is hang the flag and that's game, y'all. And SLS advances. Come on, guys. That's the game. All you gotta do is put it on the wall. Good job. All right, guys and girls, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna walk out into the ready room on my way out. And good job, SLS. Way to hang in there and kick that butt. And I'm gonna say goodbye to everybody. Cameron. Holy cow, it's hot in there. Woo! SLS. Here's the board. That was the SLS win twice.
Who won today? SLS won?
Yeah.
Who won?
SLS.
SLS won?
Yep.
So we play Nightmare then. Hey, we play Nightmare. Nightmare.
We're playing Nightmare?
Oh, dude, you're on, dude.
All right, I'm out. There's the ready room. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching and thank you for the follows. I'm headed to the house. It's hot. I'm tired. See y'all. Don't forget to watch my videos. Peace.